This video shows how to make a navel orange bar, which is a navel orange curd pie filling baked on top of a brown sugar shortbread crust. The recipe is scaled to fit a silicone muffin top pan, which makes 6 75-gram portions. To make a navel orange bar, start by making the demerara shortbread crust. Cream 50 grams of room temperature butter with 50 grams of demerara sugar in a small bowl with a rubber spatula. Then mix in 75 grams of whole wheat cake flour and a pinch of salt. I like to use my fingers to crumble the flour into the butter and sugar until it can be formed into a light dough. Then divide the dough and gently press evenly along the bottom of the silicone baking pan. An espresso tamper works great for this. Then bake in a preheated 325 degree Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius oven until lightly browned on top, about 18 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, as the crust is baking, make the curd filling. Scale 100 grams of freshly squeezed navel orange juice, 100 grams of cane sugar, 15 grams of whole wheat cake flour, and 2 large eggs into a small mixing bowl. Then mix the ingredients together well, and as soon as the shortbread comes out of the oven, divide the mixture evenly on top of the crusts. Then carefully place the pan back in the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes or until the orange curd is set. Allow to cool completely before unmolding and serve with a generous dusting of vanilla powdered sugar and a dessert fork. Stored in the refrigerator, orange bars are at their best for about 3 days.